Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are, of course, looking at everything updates. So this week was Patch Tuesday. If you haven't done so already, go to your settings for Windows 10 and go into Update and Security. Make sure that you have update for the security Patch Tuesday that was happening on Tuesday this week. The thing that I always like to talk about is the background noise, as I call it. How is the rollout going? So here, if we look at View Update History, you'll see that I had the update on August 10th, cumulative update for Windows 10 21H1. In my case, 5005033. You could have 5005030, I believe, also, depending on the version you have. But Windows 10 version 2004, Windows 10 20H2, and Windows 10 21H1 do have the updates. The background noise is very low. This is not a big Patch Tuesday. Less flaws to fix this month than we've seen in the last year and a half. So it was rather quick for most people, even with older machines. I've had a few comments from you guys saying, well, this was actually fast for this old 10-year-old machine and so on. So the amount of problems when there's less to change and less to mitigate is, of course, there's less danger that something can go wrong. So basically, this is an update that is mandatory, and it's important to actually apply it because there were quite a few critical flaws that are now possibly exploited in the wild, because once the updates are done, the bad guys know where to look. Like I said, no real problems, nothing out of the ordinary. The only problem, or the only thing that Microsoft is facing again, is the fact that finally Print Nightmare isn't fixed after, 4 attempts, which is kind of a little funny. I don't know if it indicates how difficult this flaw is to fix, but maybe it's an indication of, some of the things that sometimes you think was cool, but that you implement in Windows, and 10 years later it gets back and says, whoa, this is exploitable now. But no real problems for most people. The rollout is good. No problems. Really low background noise. The usual low background noise. There's always somebody somewhere that has a problem with updates, and a lot of it has to do with hardware and the software and the drivers installed, much more than the updates themselves. Even though Microsoft does screw up from time to time, which is something possible, this update seems to be fairly good and is really not causing any issues for most people. Once again, faster install also because of the low number of fixes that they have to do this month. So check it out. And of course, that means that if you're on Windows 10, what's going to happen is you're going to be changed to version number, which is 19041 if you're on the version 2004, 19042 if you're on the version 20H2, 19043 on 21H1, and the ending is the same for all three, 1165. So if you're at 1165, you've updated to the latest version of Windows 10 with Patch Tuesday this week. So everything seems to go according to plan, no real glitches, and if, of course, there's anything else, we'll try to talk about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.